Hello people, guten Tag. Today we are doing possessive article. Possessive article. Possessive article. And that's Lection 9. We are already done with personal pronouns like ich, du, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie und capital Z. And what are possessive article in English? My, your, his, her, its, our, your, plural, their, and your in a formal way. And possessive article in German are mein, dein, sein, ihr, sein, unser, euer, ihr, and capital I, ihr. And please do not get confused between ihr of personal pronoun and ihr of possessive article. So we have three ihr here. Ihr, you all, ihr, her, and your, and capital I, ihr, your in a formal way. And these possessive articles depend on the gender of noun. Noun gender can be masculine, der, feminine, die, and neuter, das. So for example, if I say, das ist mein Auto, this is my car. I have used mein because it is das Auto. The noun is a neuter noun. And here is the list of possessive article for der, die, and das. Please note that the possessive article of der and das are same, and for die, e is added at the end. Meine, deine. Like that. And also note that the spelling of euer, which I have marked in yellow color, is different for die. For der and for das, it is euer, and for die, it is eure. So spelling will change. Euer, eure, euer. Wo ist meine Tasche? Where is my bag? Hallo, ist das deine Tasche? Hello, is this your bag? Ja, vielen Dank. Yes, thank you. Die Tasche, bag. Wo ist meine Sonnenbrille? Where is my sunglasses? Hier ist seine Sonnenbrille. Here is your sunglasses. Die Sonnenbrille, sunglasses. Das ist unser Hund. This is our dog. Der Hund, dog. Das ist Ihr Auto. This is your car in a formal way. Das Auto, car. And if you really like German language and you really like my videos, then please subscribe, learn German with ease.
Created using Powtoon.